Hello my dear students, welcome to the Bridge Course Template 25, Subject English, Class 7th. The learning outcome of this course is the students understand, recite, enjoy and shares familiar songs, poems effectively, and they will also be able to tell rhyming words, correct time and idiomatic pairs. There are some instructions for teachers, parents and facilitators. Students, you have to recite the song with action, expression, correct pronunciation and rhythm. And the students will repeat after the teacher with action. The teacher will explain rhyming words and idiomatic phrases from the poem. Okay? So let's start the learning activity. Students, I will read the poem 3.1 time from your last year's 6th standard book and you have to repeat after me. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shore. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4 as the swift moon runneth. How many months in a year? 12 the almanac makes clear. How many years in an age? 100 says the sage. How many ages in time? No one knows the rhyme. No one knows the rhyme. Now we are going to recite the poem and you will have to recite after me. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4 as the swift moon runneth. How many months in a year? 12 the almanac makes clear. How many years in an age? 100 says the sage. How many ages in time? No one knows the rhyme. Students, suppose if you are doing a classroom activity with this poem, the teacher will recite the song with action and the teacher will say the first line of the song and the student will say the second line. So in this way you can play the game and game of idiomatic phrases and match the pairs to tell the time. Going to find out the rhyming pairs from the poem. So the rhyming pairs at the end are at the end of the sentence, like how many seconds in a minute? How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. So minute and it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shore. So just like that, day, play, week, speak, month, month, year, clear. How many years in an age? 100 says the sage. So age, sage. Next line, time, rhyme. So these are the rhyming pairs. Write down all these rhyming pairs in your notebook, students. Okay. So now we are going to find the idiomatic pairs. Idiomatic pairs are also very easy. Solved activities given to you. First child will say a word from group A and another child will say its pairing word from group B. For example, group A, sun. Group B, shower. So sun and shower. Group A, work. B, play. Work and play. A, hear. B, speak. Hear and speak. So from the poem, students, you underline all the idiomatic pairs like sun and shower, work and play, hear and speak in this way. Okay, and we can have a group discussion on it, and also you can play the game of idiomatic pairs. Game of idiomatic phrases as shown above in solved activity. Now there are two columns A and B, so you can Choose one word from one column and second word from the second column. For example, day, night. Match the pairs like day and night, now and then, here and there, read and write, bread and butter, up and down, high and low. In this way, you can match the second row of the first column like left, second column right, left and right, left, life and death, north and south, west and east, east and west, back and forth, give and take, make and break. Third row, more and less, soon or later, trial or error, yes and no, yes or no, on and off, in and out, black and white. In this way, so you have to write, you have to match this idiomatic pairs, play the game, and write all these phrases, idiomatic phrases, in your notebook, students. An extension activity, which pictures will match the following time. Okay, now a minute 60 seconds. So can you tell which picture will match the line a minute 60 seconds? See, you can see many pictures, a picture of a clock. So there below that 60 seconds is given. So you have to match it with 60 seconds. Then a day 24 hours. So 24 is given in that picture. 100, an age 100 years, a year 12 months. So you have to just match the pictures with the correct sentences. So this is the activity. I hope you will understand it because it's very easy. Just you have to take one statement and match the pictures. Okay, in evaluation activity, you recite the song with action and record it and you send it to your teacher. Make a video and send it to your teacher. So you can take the help of Diksha video, Diksha app standard 6th. So today you learned how to recite the song confidently with action, and how to tell time, how to tell the rhyming words and idiomatic phrases. Okay, so this was the end of the activity. Thank you very much.